Hello friends, welcome back to CAD practice. Today we are going to construct a 3D model of pipe in Autodesk Inventor software. So let's get started with today's tutorial. Go to new, take a standard part in millimeter and go to create. Now go to 2D sketch, we will select the XY plane. Now go to circle command and select the center point circle. Select the midpoint and give a dia of 80 mm. Okay. Now finish sketch. Now go to extrude command and give a dimension of 80 and we want it from a mid plane for symmetric extrude. So click on symmetric. So this will be 40 this side and 40 this side and OK. Now go to origin. We will use the XY plane once again. Select the XY plane. Go to create sketch. Now go to line command. We will make a line over here. Pass it from mid. OK. And escape. Now go to dimensions. Give the vertical line a dimension of 70 mm and the horizontal line dimension of 180 mm. From center, select this center point or select this circle and select the end point. Give this dimension as 80 mm or give it as 100 mm. Okay. Now, still you can see the sketch is not constrained, it's moving. So make it constrained, go to coincident, select this line and select the midpoint. Now it's fully defined or fully constrained sketch. We want a radius over here. For that, go to fillet, give a radius of 30 mm and select the bottom line and the vertical line. It will be a 30 mm radius. Now finish sketch. We are going to produce this profile. So here we will make a new plane. So go to plane, select this endpoint and select this line. Okay. Now select this plane and go to create sketch and we will make a circle over here. Take a circle from this midpoint, make a circle of dia 50 mm. Okay. Escape. It is also moving. So go to coincident. It is not selecting. Okay. Go to project geometry. Select this point. Okay. Now go to coincident constraint. Select this point and select the center point. Now this is fully constrained. Go to finish sketch and take the sweep command. Select this profile. For path, select this path. Okay. Okay. Now we will make this profile. Select this face, create a new sketch. Go to circle command. From same center point, make a circle of dia 60 mm and go to 3D model. Go to extrude. We want to cut a profile, so go to cut. Here give the dimension as 70. 70 will be the depth of cut and OK. So this is not a through cut. Go to home. Now rotate this. We'll first make this profile. Select this face. Go to create sketch. Here go to circle command. From same center point make a circle of dia 60 mm. Finish sketch and extrude. Flip the direction and give the dimension as 20 mm. It is cutting the profile, but we want to join, so click on join and OK. OK. Now go to sweep or go to this face, create sketch, rotate the view. Here we will make this flange profile. So go to circle command. From same center point make a circle of dia 60 mm. Here a circle of dia 30 and from same center point dia 15 mm. OK. Now take the line command. From this point join this circle. Similarly join this circle. OK. Now go to dimensions. The height from this will be 50 mm. Now as you can see, this is not fully constrained, line is coming inside. To make it proper, go to tangent constraint, select this line, select this circle, select this line, select this circle. Similarly select the line and select this and select here and select this circle. OK. Now it is getting offset from this, so go to concentric constraint, select this circle and select this sketch circle. Now they are from same center point. Go to vertical constraint, select this point and select this point. OK. Now this is a fully defined sketch. Now we want to mirror this profile, so go to line command, make a line from this midpoint, escape, select this and make it center line. OK. Now go to mirror, select this top profile, go to mirror line and select this mirror line and apply. Done. OK. Now go to trim, select this inner profile, we want to trim this also. OK. Now as you can see, the whole profile has become unconstrained. Go to dimension, give this dimension again, here also. OK. Now what other? OK. Go to concentric once again, select this and select this. Now this is defined. One dimension need to be defined is this center line. We can leave this. Now go to 3D model, go to extrude, flip the direction and give a dimension of 10 mm and OK. Now go to 2D sketch, select this top plane, revolve, go to circle command and here make a circle of dia 40 mm. OK. Now to constrain this, go to horizontal constraint, select this and this point, or go to concentric, select this and this. OK. Now this is defined. finish sketch. We want to sweep cut through a whole profile, so we will select the sketch, right click, turn on the visibility. Okay. I'll show you the sketch. Go to view, go to wireframe. Okay. This is the sketch which we are selecting. Now go to 3D model, go to sweep, select this profile as a profile which we want to sweep, click on path and select this sketch. Okay, we want to cut it, so go to cut and okay. Now change the view, go to shaded with edges. Now this is the cut profile. Now go to sketch once again and from here turn on off the visibility. Okay, so you can see the cutout. Select the XY plane and from here you can go to quarter section view. It will show you the cut view. This is the sweep cut which we have made. Okay, exit, here end section view. Okay, now go to this face, or first we'll give the radius. So go to 3D model, go to fillet, here give a radius of 10 mm, change the view, here give radius of 10 mm, similarly rotate it, here give a radius of 10 mm and apply. Okay, now we will give a chamfer, go to chamfer, we will take a chamfer of 2 mm and from here we will select the distance, equal distance chamfer, select this inner edge and okay. Now select this face, go to sketch, make a circle from this center point, make a circle of dia 100 and escape. Select this circle and make it a construction geometry. Okay. Now go to circle command and make a circle over here of dia 10 and from same center dia 5. Okay, here make a circle of equal to this of dia 80. Go to vertical constraint, select this and this. Okay, now this is moving, so give the dimension of 80 mm. Okay, now go to line command, from this edge make a straight line, similarly from this edge make a straight line. Now we only want to profile over this, so go to trim this inner profile and finish sketch. Now go to extrude, we'll extrude this and this profile, flip the direction and the distance will be of 10 mm and okay. We want a pattern of 3, so go to circular pattern, select this feature, from here also you can select, go to rotation axis and select this face. The default count is of 6, change the count to 3 and okay. Okay, Now we will make this bottom profile. For this we will go to the exit plane. From here go to offset from plane and give a dimension -100 and OK. Now select this plane and create a new sketch. You can rotate it. OK. Now go to circle command, make a circle from this center point of dia 100 and a circle of dia T. OK, and from on this dia make a circle of dia 10 mm. So we have made 3 circles. Escape, select the 80 dia circle and make it a construction geometry. We want to pattern this, so go to circular pattern, select this circle, select this axis. The axis of rotation will be this circle and the count of 6. OK. Now finish sketch, go to extrude, select this, extrude up to 10 mm. This is by default 10 mm and OK. Now select this face, create new sketch, rotate the view to bottom, go to circle command, here make a circle of dia 60 mm, rotate the view. OK. Now go to 3D model, extrude. We will want to extrude it up to this profile. So from here select to next. So this will be extrude till here only and OK. Home. Now we want to make a cut below this. So select the bottom face, create sketch, go to circle command, so same center point, create a circle of dia 30, go to 3D model and extrude. Flip the direction. From here we will select 2 and we will select the inner face. So this will cut up to the inner face and OK. Now you can hide the sketches. So this planes, right click, invisible. Similarly right click and here right click and invisible. So this was a basic model of pipe in Autodesk Inventor. I hope you like the video. If you do that, please do hit like and subscribe the channel for more such videos. Thank you.